Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely BMW X1 M Sport we've currently got for sale. It's got that 2-litre petrol engine producing 190 PS. You'll also benefit from that xDrive all-wheel drive system on board as well. Starting for the front of the vehicle, you benefit from those LED headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the vehicle, you've got these lovely 18-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your power folding and heated wing mirrors there as well. There's a huge amount of boot space available with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You'll also benefit from that electric tailgate, which you can also open with the key fob. Inside the vehicle, you benefit from this brilliant SATA navigation system with digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and also your spoken instructions with your SATA navigation, which is nice and easy to use. You've also got the ambient lighting as well, with a huge range of different colours to choose from, which helps brighten up the interior while driving at night. There's also plenty of assistance systems available on board as well, with the front end collision warning. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. You also benefit from the full service history as well, as you can see from this xDrive system. There's multiple driver modes also available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. Moving a little bit further down the cabin, there's plenty of storage on offer. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.